Hey there, fellow gardeners. Welcome back to our garden tips series. Today, we're diving into the 4 critical August garden tasks every gardener should do. So, let's get started. First up, August is a peak time for harvesting vegetables and fruits. It's crucial to pick ripe produce to encourage further growth and prevent spoilage. Consider preserving your harvest through canning, freezing, or drying to enjoy your garden's bounty year-round. Next, it's time to plan and plant for fall. With the approaching cooler months, it's essential to plant fall crops like broccoli, kale, and spinach. Prepare your garden beds, and don't forget to sow seeds for next year's garden. Thirdly, August is the perfect time to prune your trees and shrubs. Remove dead or damaged branches, and trim back overgrown limbs to promote healthy growth. Lastly, August is the ideal month to divide and transplant perennials. This is a great way to increase your garden's diversity and create a more vibrant landscape. And there you have it, folks, for essential August garden tasks that every gardener should do. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening!